Parang subtitles. Guys, kakatapos lang namin sa immigration officer. Sa sobrang horror, wala naman tinanong sa amin. Kinuha na lang yung passport, boarding pass, tapos tinapakan na lang. Though it's not our first time kasi to travel out of the country. So, kung first time mo, please make sure to bring all your necessary documents such as your return ticket, hotel bookings, itinerary, leave form, and company ID. Kasi yung kasunod ko na punta siya dun sa further inspection. So, make sure na kompleto lahat yung documents natin para hindi tayo ma-offload. So, just waiting for our boarding time na lang. So, may 2 hours pa. Hello guys, we are here at Kansai Airport already. Ayan, nagwi-withdraw lang siya. Win. So sabi nila yung 7-Eleven daw yung pinakamurang pag-withdrawan yung conversion dito. Yung ilan yan? 50,000. Kulang pa tayo ng
30?
30 pero may smaller bills ata.
Ito na eh.
Ayan, yan. Yan na lang. Isa pang ganyan.
Okay.
So, nakapag-withdraw na tayo guys. And next thing na gagawin natin ay bumili tayo ng iCoca cards. So, hanapin natin kung saan yung vending machine. So, ito na yung bilihan ng iCoca card. So, bili na tayo. So, guys, bili na tayo. So, may deposit siyang 500 yen. Ang bibilhin natin is yung 3,000. So, ayan. Then, insert yung pera dito. 5,000 yen. Nahihilo pa. So, insert na yung 5,000 yen. Then, pindutin nyo nga agree. And then, purchase with receipt. Lalabas na siya. Ito sa akin, tapos kay Win. na tayo. May kakakar. So, dito na tayo ngayon sa Limited Express. We're going to Napa already. This is the Nankay line. Pinili lang namin yung ticket sa group. And then, kailangan mo siyang i-claim into this one. Finally, nakalabas na rin sa subway station. So, our first view of Japan. Hello, Japan. Yung hotel namin. Hotel Keihan. How to go on the second floor without... Ah, my gosh, guys. Ang dami namin lagi. Shit. Buhat ba? Yan na yung bed. And then, ito na rin yung bathroom. So, kaming mag-check-in ngayon. Naghahanap na lang kami. Google Maps is the key. So, finally here at Matsuya. Ito na lang kasi yung bukas ngayon, 24 hours. It's currently 11 PM now, guys. So, ngayon pa lang kami kakain kasi naka-check-in na kami. Is that opening though? Ah, bobo lang. Okay, then.
Soft-boiled egg. Soft-boiled egg.
Same.
Same time. May lata ba yun?
Drinks.
How much is
1,000 yen.
it? Oo, okay.
And then, what's next? Ba't walang subtitles? You need to insert the money.
Click tayo.
Ay, walang subtitles. This is our first meal in Osaka. Gyudon with kimchi and miso soup. Same din sila ng in-order.